Induct for Work is a fully customizable online induction software system that allows you to create, run, and monitor your own online inductions without being an IT professional. All you need is a web browser and access to the net. All accounts, except for our free standard plan, benefit from having an unlimited number of users and induction courses. You can induct 10 inductees 1 second and 10,000 the next. The platform is auto-scalable and it will handle any number of users. You can collect documents such as licenses, insurances, and certificates as part of any induction. A document expiration monitoring system will send out auto notifications to you, your admin, and to your users, notifying them of upcoming document expiration dates to assist you in keeping all important documents up to date. Let's dive into it. So you've registered your account. Excellent. Now it has to be set up to your requirements. There are a couple of options here. Option 1 is self-setup, which we highly recommend. All tools are provided to create your own content, set up quizzes, or turn various functionalities on or off. Once you are familiar with the system, you'd be able to manage it without any hassles. Option 2 is our team sets up the account for you. You instruct us with what's required and we make it happen. We convert and upload your existing PowerPoint or Word inductions. We then set up quizzes, pass scores, and we create multiple worksites and admin users. We can also activate sign in and out functionality, and we can get your account integrated to thousands of other apps that may be used by your organization. Induct for Work is fully accessible and transparent. You can monitor your inductees' progress at any time, and you can update your content. So let's have a look at some basic functionalities. You can edit your company information by clicking on your company name. Here you can upload a logo, set corporate colors, update your company name, address, and primary contact details. You can also change your password and login email address. Clicking on your logo in the top right-hand corner will open up a number of other options, which we'll cover in more details in other help pages. You can create or edit inductions by clicking on Site Inductions. From here, you can create additional worksites, which we call portals, and you create and archive multiple induction courses. You can also attach company policies to your account. These policies are shown to your inductees when they visit your portal. To start creating your policies, just click on Company Policies, then Create New. The People area contains all users. When a person registers through a portal, their profile appears in the People area. You can also manually create users one by one, or import your existing list by clicking on the Import button. The search bar will assist you to pinpoint a user, and all inductees' profiles can be archived and restored. The Sign In and Out area displays all users who signed in and out of your worksite. This feature is an add-on to any plan, and it can be independently activated when required for an additional monthly fee. This gives your inductees an ability to electronically sign in and out of your worksites using a QR code reader and certificate numbers. The data capture functionality allows you to set up document collection from users during their induction. These documents may include, but not limited to, insurances, licenses, and certificates. Multiple groups of documents can be created and attached to different inductions. We cover this functionality in more details in the data capture help page. The Reports area lets you generate a customized report on any account activity. Select the report you're after, time frame, and then click on Print. The induction schedule allows you to automate sending invitations to a sequence of inductions. For example, if your users need to go through an initial induction, and then say in 1 week they need to complete a second induction, here we can create an induction schedule. What happens is, when your users go through their first induction, the system generates an automated invite to their second induction in 1 week and emails it to your users. Help pages are always here. If you can't find any information that you're looking for, please just contact us. In the next help page, we're going to cover how to add a login to your account. Thanks for watching and happy inducting.